Hi, welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to show you how to fix a door seal on the refrigerator. So say if your door is not sealing well, we'll show you how to fix it. And also you can actually kind of figure out where the problem is if you have a frost effect on the inside of your freezer. As you can see here, we have frost, and this is because of the heat coming through the door seal. Also you can see here, this is actually where it's coming in. So I'll have to flex this gasket out eventually. And I did notice at the bottom too, which if you have a gap in the bottom door, the heat can rise up into the evaporator, and it also cause that frost effect. And then your veggies will kind of have that dampness to it. So I'm gonna put this flashlight in here. We'll shut the door, and as you can see, we got a pretty big gap here. This is where the cool air and the heat will mix together and cause a frost effect also. But no worries, this is a pretty simple fix. Usually people would just replace the door seal itself, or sometimes they just overage to get hardened because of the heat that rises to the fridge. So in both cases, and I've done this many times on new and old refrigerators, you can take a steamer, and this is a little steamer I bought online. You can just kind of go through the crest of this gasket and go kind of loosen it up first. I mean, you just want to go up and down nice and slow, but don't keep it in one spot, and just kind of minimize the heat that you put on it, because if you put too much heat at once, it just depends on how thick the door seal is. You can actually cut the rubber in half, and then you have to replace the door gasket itself. But as you can see here, it just depends on the steamer, and I'm just going slight pressure, then I'll shut it. And you can do this a couple times until it has a good suction. But once you get it nice and hot, you can press the door against the housing of the fridge, and then it should have a nice suction on it. And this also keeps the refrigerator from, running constantly trying to cool down the fridge. So as you can see now, we have a nice solid door. It's not opening up easy no more. Well, that's pretty much it. So as you can see now, with the light in, the door closes well, and we have a nice suction. So yeah, if you like this video, have any questions, just leave in the comments below. Hit the like button if you did like it, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.